What's this is Dirty Berry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. And I know people now wonder, oh my gosh, why is it our 2 weeks since we put up a video? But here what, I take me look a B-day vacation. Yes, my birthday was May the 26th and I did put out a little wish list and I said they want a Dutch pot. I said I wanted a shower curtain and I have received a lot of gifts. But more importantly, we need to get back into the social media countdown because I do not know why, as we take my break, one bag of mix up choose to come happen into the place, the lovely Highland of Jamaica. So let's get into the countdown. Number 10. Ho, ho, ho. My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my boxfoot essay. Oh, Jesus P. Mr. Vegas, you are brave. So, you know, so the US pastor, the man that come on TV a man in time, Mr. Gino Jennings came to the Highland of Jamaica recently to have a little debate with dancehall artist on Christian, Mr. Vegas at YMCA. And if you don't really, you know, follow up on your little hot topics them, the other day, a video with Pastor Jennings went viral in which he was her calling women who wear makeup and them something there at church and the jeans and them look something there, hoes.
Nothing but a singing hoe, a shouting hoe, a organ playing hoe, a choir director hoe.
Yes, sir, he hard said it right up into the house of the Lord.
Nothing but a prostitute.
And it looked like Mr. Vegas did very much perturbed. He was hard vexed. He abhorred the statements made by the pastor and decided say him going challenge the pastor, and Pastor Jennings accepted it and say, here what, make we have a little debate at church. And so it happened on this fateful day and pray.
Now when I listen to Pastor Gino Jennings calling females whores, prostitutes for wearing nail polish, it instantly reconnected me with my mom's fingers.
And Mr. Gino Jennings, if there is supposed to be one dancehall artist that can speak to you about what a prostitute is, what a hoe is, what a whore is, it should be Mr. Vegas. Because after all, he did this song.
Well, if a girl take 2 man in a one night, then we know she's a hoe. If she a clean up the whole of the neighborhood, then we know she's a hoe.
And then at this point now, I guess, you know, Pastor Jennings decided to say him going to stand up beside Mr. Vegas. And the man just started to hand camp it around Vegas. The man turned around Vegas' body. He heard just there. You remember when Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton was hard debating?
And as I said, there is no evidence that any class.
Same thing Pastor Jennings did to Mr. Vegas up into the church.
You need not ready to do what you want.
The man just said, speak Bible, speak Bible, oh speak Bible. Mr. Vegas now, him decided, say, yo, he want to make film points. So he said to the pastor, say, yes, you in fact did her call women hoes if them wear makeup. Zine, and pastor said, no, I did not her say that. So Mr. Vegas said, yo, let go the tape. And at this point, Pastor Jennings was like,
It knows that I got the Bible to defeat what he said about women. Play the tape.
Take a seat.
Play the tape.
Take a seat. All right, security, usher him out. Security, usher him out. Usher him out.
Please don't touch me. Please don't touch
Usher
me.
him out. Usher him out.
Everybody start take for yourself. Follow the rhythm and take for yourself.
Usher him out. Take his microphone and usher him out.
So when I see wicked people, take for yourself.
Usher him out. Take his microphone. Usher him out. Usher him out.
Them want to warn me some sense to me army.
and that is exactly what Pastor Jennings did. He has sent it for his army, and they are his ushered. Vegas, oh, Vegas, big up you and big up Scatter with that defend you. Why, oh boy. But let me know, Burritos, what did you think about this whole entire ordeal? Are you team Pastor Gino Jennings, or are you team Vegas, or you really don't care? What do you have to say? Comment below. Number 9, this is Jamaica. Box cover. So the other day, Childish Gambino released his single music video called This Is America, and it's going with a bag of things, and if you do not know, just pray it.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping now.
And yes, the video spoke about racism in America, especially about the Black American experience. And yeah, people that interpret the video all kind of sort of ways. But leave it to Jamaican people to find a way to insert themselves and talk about the Jamaican experience and add a little humor to it. And trust me, the videos them, shell. And yeah, never limited to Jamaica because people in the Caribbean, they talk about for them Caribbean islands too, such as these.
This is Trinbago, China and Syria. Africa, India, put them together, you get a Douglas.
This is Grand Cayman. They can't see us on the map. Must get.
But thank you, back to the Jamaican segment. So these are some of my favorite This is Jamaica party videos.
This is Jamaica. What I got, me catch it up. So rice with no ketchup. Who thief me jazz, who take it up.
This is Jamaica. Portmore me live in Things on me live in Shola a fling you know. This is Jamaica.
Yeah, better than Wakanda. Yeah, Bill wants split on veranda. Yo, me a bad man so you can't bully me. Can't have bully beef without the key.
I forgot to say big up to J Neil because this video, J Neil at the YouTube channel, but this video has received over 1 million views on YouTube. So big up on yourself, yo.
This is Jamaica, where your own friend kill you. Work hard and I mind your youth when you turn around and I feel. Yeah. This is Jamaica, where every girl try pill you. Police fight the youth them when they live uptown them not see you. No. Yeah. This is Jamaica, where every girl run down hype. Yes. Them put up half naked picture just to get 100 likes.
So let me know, burritos, what do you think of all these Jamaicans, Caribbean people doing parties to Childish Gambinos? This is America. What do you think about the song? Which one of these videos was your favorite? Comments below. Number 8, Gully Shot. Box cover, Saint so.
Nah, them can't check me and kill me can't dead.
So the other day, was it 2 days ago, I did a patrol social media when I book up news, say Mavado, the gully got shot.
Anyway,
yes sir, according to news on Twitter, they have said that Mavado was a cap a piece when him and one brother, I guess one little bad man, you know, they end up in a one little altercation, and the man say, yo, where I say Mavado, I say, yo, dog, anything, you know, man. And then the brother Harcourt came back to the scene and decided say him going to shoot after Mavado, while Mavado in a film car. Me I hear some Mavado get shot, me I hear some Mavado, Meek get shot up, and yeah, boy, oh boy, me I say no, Jamaica can't run so.
Swear so them kill me DNA, did me tell about the gun me bust last night in the park.
But you know, thanks to what the man named on Twitter, Habuka, I cannot remember the brother name. You know what, I'm gonna show it right there. So he has said that Mavado was actually unharmed and everything alright with Mavado. Mavado came online and said that, you know, even if I get shot, it might have just been a little altercation, but he was not shot or injured. And then as the news come out, so the police asked Mavado, I want to bring him into custody and all of these drama. All I can say, Jamaica, we can't have no more artists gone to jail. We have too much already. We have Kartel, oh Jesus, P, we have Buju Banton, we have lost Ninja Man, and look how from the other day, I say, what a way Mavado escape all of the drama with Kartel, and now this story just happened right now. I do not know. What you have to say, burritos? Comment below. And now check out the random video of the week. And oh, it is time for the big up segment. And first, I forgot big up Tifa. You know, upon her engagement, my girl put on Instagram a show of her ring so she get engaged. We don't know who the husband to be is, what him look like, but we have to just say congratulations, my girl. 2018, I want good for you. And also, I forgot invite you to burritos to go and check out this awesome play by Craig McNally called G's and Peas. Pre.
Kinted Entertainment presents Cheese and Peas. From award-winning writer and director Craig McNally.
Praise the Lord is the bank of blessings.
An outrageously hilarious comedy review.
Because said that this is the mark of the beast.
Then Kimmy, I dance, she just come from her dance, Yago.
Yeah, idiot! You don't see a funeral, me I go.
Playing at the Phoenix Theatre, 8 Haining Road, New Kingston, from May 18th through to June 17th. Jesus Peas! The most hilarious comedy of the summer.
And yes, can we talk about the Food Awards that won the other day? I'm not gonna lie, I think 2018 Food Awards was my most fun Food Awards. About 4 of them ago, I go now, and yeah, their 1 year was the best one. I'm not lie, I enjoyed myself when they had a bag of food, and yeah. Yes, and burritos, I had an awesome birthday, man. I forgot showing you some of the highlights them, and thank you so much to the people them, make sure them reach out to me, and you know, them give me gifts, me get my shower curtain, my Dutch pot, all of these things, my workout. You know, me have to big up to Opa Reggae Mill Bar. Whosoever, all my friends friends, you know, who came out and support me. It was just awesome. I had an awesome day, and big up Chocopov, me I'll go there too. I want to go back.
Why? 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 You get wet?
And everything was just, yeah, everything is just lit. Oh, I mean, I forgot big up Polish JA for giving me a little money and penny for my birthday, pre-birthday special and all of these things. If you want to go and visit them, they are at Shop 10A Village Plaza, right up in the Alpha Tree, Constant Spring Road. Make sure say you go and tell them, say Dr. send you, and then we sort you out nice and clean and all of these things.
The shop.
Number 7, virtual reality. People may have nothing to say, but not gonna lie. See, sometimes when you got them little place here and you have to try something where you never do before, especially as it relates to a game. If you know, say you're kind of easily excited and you're easily afraid, nobody gonna do it. Do not hard go do it and be looking like Casper and Rintin Tin in other people in place, because you will end up on my countdown. Let me just give me one word for some of the video people, because I have nothing more to say, but if I hear a friend big arrow. Number 6, La La Lee, La La Lo. Me turtleneck, so La Lee, the man who sing the cornflakes and water song. Yeah, this is what Lali Cornflake song is doing right now. But of all the places I expected him to go to perform this song, I never really expect like a school. I'm not to say, yeah, boy. The song catch it though. Yeah, it catch it. Number 5, real love. I never think say, you know, me that live to see the day when a Jamaican woman feels so proud, feels so confident in her love that she will go to Facebook, go to Instagram, Snapchat, and talk about her love for her good up man.
Kevin is a 1 million man where anybody could have ever asked for. Because Kevin, you're my soul, you're my heart, you're my everything. And me I beg you do continue. To love me the way you do. I'm even always get up and pray to Father God. Sometimes I cry out to God and say, God, thank you for this man. I go through pressure. I go through tribulation. I go through it. Boy, you make me know what is Love. You make me know. Say, yo, Kimaya, and you my heart there with, and you my soul there with. Kevin, the world want more man like you, Kevin. The world want more man like you. You just open up the emptiness for the inner me.
Why, oh boy, Kevin, you set the bar high for every single hard man that exists in the world. What you could have done to this girl to make this girl go on social media and a professor love to you, so big up yourself, Kevin, and big up this girl. So to find love, it is a rare thing in Jamaica, so congratulations, and I hope it lasts. Number 4, rough fall. Me Dutch pot. So this lady, boy, oh boy, I tell you. So this lady, I don't know which park she go, but something like with the what name, blue hole, where you know you climb up and you jump down in the water, you have on your little, what you call this, a parachute. I don't remember right now, my brain tired. And she, oh, this lady decided so she go and go jump, and you know she tried. Jesus, wow. You know, like when breadfruit does a drop out a tree, so bloop, I feel it for my girl there, all of me, oh wow. That is a fall of this grace. Jesus P, I feel bad for your friend, me not cancel the friend that work at it. Number 3, Spicy Shade. Me Black Pepper. So dancehall Queen Spice, as you know, is on Love and Hip Hop, and boy people from Shilep on Love and Hip Hop, I never think someone could see Spice reach to this level of shadiness and pettiness.
Spice, she just kept throwing them stupid ass sarcastic jabs. Now we
Weeks ago, Spice did, in our interview, them asked her about Marvin the Beast, and guess what Spice did? She heard about Mariah Carey and said that.
What is up with Marvin the dancer? Why does he do all of this shit? I see him climbing on top of the trees.
Who is that?
Marvin. That is his name, no?
I don't know him.
Yeah, Marvin, the dancer. It's a brown-skinned guy. He hangs from trees and dances and humps the girl. Then goes off the railing.
I've never met him. I don't know him.
Okay, any...
You tell me no. Spice, you don't know, say you know Marvin the Beast. Yeah, Marvin the Beast. Her dance on stage earlier, all of these things. But Spice in her petty element says she don't know the brother. And Marvin have to just go and take that hell. By the way, just, him and Nikisha still a thing, them still trendy and stuff. I don't really hear much about them. I kind of like so them I keep low key and not appear on social media account now. Yeah, keep it up. And then after that now, she, Spice and one other girl from Love and Hip Hop named Tommy did in a one little feud and all kind of things. Spice, yeah, I guess that done and gone with. Why, oh boy.
I don't understand how you girl Tommy. I got talk about me and make you look like you're late. Bitch, you walk in from the scene and when I ask you if you're late, you use your own teeth and tongue and say you're late because you're pig sick.
And yes, and I guess the shady moment I really want to talk about is with Spice and this girl from Love and Hip Hop. Yes, the fluffy empress, the tickers on the show by the name of Tokyo Vanity.
We about to eat. We're gonna eat us a good little brunch and then we're gonna enjoy the rest of the week.
I don't think she wants nothing else to eat. Trust me.
No, honestly, I really never want to laugh. I really never want to laugh, but talk the truth. It was hard funny. It might have been a little bit mean-spirited, especially like how Spice just launched our Women's Empowerment Foundation. Yeah, this kind of not really go with it. But in truth and all honesty, it did funny.
I'm out of here.
You try to trick me. You're trying to do a sneak attack, but you never know say Jamaica I come from. I'm going to play Dandy Shandy every day. Sight. Bam!
Not today, Tokyo. First thing, we not carry no liquor in time. Yeah, the Sunday, yeah, I don't know why it just popped in my head a while ago. But yes, Spice, personally, I understand the joke. You probably should have said it on TV because you know how, you know, America set right now and people never really understand the Caribbean culture. I understand say you be shady because Tokyo did talk about things about you, so you kind of have to done the girl right in that moment and I hit your draw. And I think it was actually the most polite way you could have done her because you could have really called it out and say what it is, but you never really do it. So I kind of understand. But yeah, let me know what you thought about Spice's remarks. Burritos, comment below. Number 2, local Olympics. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. Everybody and their mother have been participating in a sports day, whether it be at school or in a them community. Take for example this video with this little boy. Aye boy, oh boy, this little boy have one job. Pass the baton to the next person. Just go to the finish line. But apparently somebody never tell him which direction him did supposed to go.
Oh, no, no, come here! Jesus!
And then this next video where them call it a big belly race. I saw it on the Jamaica Star page and yeah, I nearly drop a ground and all of these things. Just pray. That is what you are called the Asafa Powell hamstring pull-up. And then finally, we need to come cuss off the people them who have bring this blind brother into this race competition, this 100-meter dash.
Listen for the whistle.
Hey, move! Come say man blind. Hey boy, move now.
I can't believe we get you back. What do I
You tell me no. Which one of these videos was your favorite? Comment below. And the number one goes to the Bawl Saga. Woo! This is the mix-up of all mix-ups. I think that this is one of the biggest mix-ups of 2018, and 2018 that people are done yet. Oh Jesus, Pete. I just need to play a little rhythm so I can get into the mood of what I am about going to say to one of the people. Okay. My word, my sentence, my paragraph. So, since recently everybody talk about this whole Bawl Saga, and whole heap people don't know how it originates. People just hear Dovey Magnum name, people hear Chozenn name, and them just don't understand where everything come from. But that is why I are here. Dr. Berry is here to break everything down, as so you can understand it. So in 2017, artist by the name, a female artist by the name of Dovey Magnum, did this song that is called Bawl. Now, think about, when you hear Bawl, just think about Ladies Heels On. Think about any Aishana song. Think about any Dexter Daps Kelly song. It have the like a bedroom, you know, dash out type of vibes there. Yeah, people, the song kind of raw and kind of vulgar. So just, yeah, that is the song. And this is the artist that is called Dovey Magnum, right? A couple weeks ago, this gospel artist by the name of Chozenn. If you don't know the story about Chozenn, Chozenn was a contestant in Magnum Kings and Queens of Dancehall in 2010, and the man they go out with a bag of things in the competition.
Recession hit my budget. Some teeth down to girl on Twitter. Gibraltar girl, some spectacular. Yo, check out my new Bluetooth. Recession.
And then like 2 years after that, the man, you know, put on the little secular thing, and he went into the gospel community, you know, and baptized and, you know, become a gospel artist. But you know, I don't really think, say, you know, since he's been doing, you know, the whole gospel music thing, he become like a solid household name, and I guess, you know, he's just, you know, been reinventing himself, and, you know, doing different type of music, and it kind of catch on, and I guess everything kind of lead up to him releasing, what you call it, a remix to Dovey Magnum's song that is called Bawl.
Oh, you want so good. You shame the devil, me know you're good. Me can't hold it. Jesus, me can't hold it. You name me a baller. I be killing me a ficalo.
And since him had dropped this remix to the song, everybody has said, no man, can a gospel artist do a remix to a song that is so careless, a song that is so vulgar, a song that is so ratchet? Me and me, you know, when the song they talk about, you know, me never know say I saw the Dovey Magnum song did ratchet until me hear Chozenn gospel version.
Me sure love cause I got in me. Don't stop.
Everybody kind of in an uproar because some people are say, yo, a gospel artist is not supposed to remix a song like that. But me personally, me are like, yo, what a difference. I think, say, this going in a church long time. Chevelle Franklin in the Dover Back Fair song.
Jesus is some queen for life. King Jesus is the only key to life. Open up your heart and realize you will receive eternal life. Then you will mash up the place like dynamite.
Them remix, you know, secular songs and use it in them preaching, them sermon, and nobody have no bad comments about it.
We are born bad man, but we hypocrites can't see.
I personally don't see anything wrong with the song. The only thing that makes it kind of weird is the fact that it is such a careless secular song. Had it been, if he do a version to Flary, if he did a gospel version to a Taurus Riley, or like a what you call it, like a Chronics, you know, people wouldn't have anything negative to say. But it's just because it was such a highly sexual song that he had gospelarized that made it so taboo in Jamaica. That is the only thing. It could have been any other liquor song, just because the song is so careless and it is so current and trendy. That is why people have whole heap of things to say. Can you imagine the dance and you hear the song and you're ready for go broke out and then you only hear the gospel version come on? Party done right, so you know, then hang up, got my yard, go sleep. Who know how remember the gospel hit, the gospel classic, that name? And what you think about this song that is saying, Hear My Cry, Oh Lord, aka Ballin? Hear my cry, oh Lord. You have another one. Shout to the Lord. Same Ballin. The same concept of Ballin is taking place. So do not crucify Chozenn because he must say my ball out Jesus' name. Because someone actually ball out Jesus' name when in the middle. Yes, Christians, I know. And to make matters worse, I hear say Love 101 actually banned the song. I never really hear a gospel song I get banned, but Right about now, you know, I feel like some more gospel artists need for start for a remix song, you know, like, oh, you know, probably can remix. What's the song name? Biscuit and Rosewater. Hey, Biscuit and Rosewater. Latest song can remix Heels on. Come and meet me at the altar tonight. Me hear you can praise good and your sermon sweet.
You shame the devil, me know you good. Me can't hold it.
Boy, oh boy, but I just saw the word set, yeah. Big up yourself, Chozen. Me gonna just, you know, say, me gonna give you the benefit of the doubt with the one here. But let me know what you think, Burritos. Comment below.
God provide for me. No! Lord, oh, you want so good. No! You shame the devil, me know you good. No! Me can't hold it.
But that is it, people. Thank you so much for watching another Dirty Berry social media top 10 countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you hit the like button, the thumbs up button, as well as subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you're new to the channel, make sure to say subscribe. Also, leave a comment. Let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Don't forget to share the video as well. Share it with a friend. Send it to somebody, WhatsApp, somebody, email. Each one help one because me I try to get to 200,000 subscribers and me heart need help. Big up all the people them who gave me birthday wishes. Me really appreciate it. Much love to Burritos. Me can't say it often. Put me right here, so put me in one position where I'm literally a professional YouTuber for 5 years and going strong. Me love and appreciate the strength. And even though me know me I get the cussing right now, but why bury it take so long? Me really did a work for me and me I find some self to just kind of enjoy me like a birthday sometime. To enjoy my birthday and all of these things. I know who can hard understand. But anyway, take care until next time. Oh, and if you want to email me, book me and all of these things, make sure say you can send me something at dirtyberryshow@gmail.com. Alright, take care.